So today we've got the biggest job of the van so far that my dad's helping me with. He's down doing for me. He's down on the floor basically fixing my brake because the caliper is sticking every time I brake, which means when the tyre's moving the brake's still on and it's just getting red hot and it's not very good.
Got a screwdriver, flat-headed screwdriver.
So this brake pad is like half the reason I've not been driving the van recently, because you drive like 10 miles and the brake's just steaming hot, the wheel's steaming hot. It's not safe, but hopefully we'll get it sorted today. My dad will get it sorted today with help from Whippet. Thank you, Whippet. And then we can leave it all behind, forget about it and start working on other things a bit better and actually driving the van to places. Also cut out the framing of the window yesterday from the inside. Sound deadened some wheel arches, and that's about it. So my dad is gone to get a new caliper. It's like so expensive. Well, it's not, but it is today. So he's gone to get a new caliper and we're hopefully going to fit it today. Basically the piston that squeezes the brakes is every time the brake pedal is pressed, it's not going back as it should. Instead of pressed and fast back, it's pressing and then sticking and slowly coming back, causing the metal to rub whilst I'm doing 50, 60, 70 miles an hour, which is obviously not very good. So we're going to change it all today and hope we can fix it. So while my dad's running out to get some bits and bobs, I'm going to try and get under the chairs and clean them. Look at this. Just taking this off, and that is what is underneath. So dad's come back shopping, got wire brush, we've got some brake fluid, a new caliper, a brake line, pumpy thing, and some brake discs. Hopefully gonna get this sorted now. Bit of a nightmare, honestly. Everything's just stiff, everything's like rusty, so we're trying to clean everything off, lube everything up and just make it so it works. So this is the new caliper. Hopefully he's going to fix all of our problems. Dad is just cleaning, what's that called?
Calliper carrier.
So Dad's just cleaning the caliper carrier and then I'm going to put it all back together. Hopefully. So Dad is hopefully fitting the brake pads and stuff now. I'm not going to have time to get the seats up and stuff today and clean under there and do the batteries, but I will in the next few days. The bolts and stuff for the seats are literally just rusted to the framework of the van, so it'd be so hard just to get two out, so I'm going to absolutely have to nail it in the next few days to get them all out. Look at this. Rust. These are okay, but tough. And there's like 8 more to do before I can get them out.
So you should be alright going forward. The wheels should come off easy enough.
So just cleaned everything up, put the new caliper on, copper greased what we need to, and we're about to put it back together and then probably go for a test drive, see how everything feels. It looks like it's going to be good. Thanks, Dad.
Of course it is, I'm fucking awesome.
Just got back home and we got back safely. The brake seems to be fine. Hopefully over time it will prove to stay fine, but it's clean, it's not hot, braking was fine, handbrake's fine, and we're safe, we're not dead. But now that I can drive it properly, I'm hoping that the next few videos and the next few times I'm out in it, I can actually document it, and we might be able to get an overnight somewhere in the hammock and actually start just focusing on the inside for a change. But thanks for watching, like and subscribe, follow the journey. Can't wait to show you what's next.